What's up, you guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Look who I have today. They say hi to the vlog. But we are car shopping. We are looking for a new whip. My husband is trying to get me a new car, and so we're looking for options. We're here at Land Rover trying to see which whip we could get. I thought the black is nice. Look at it. Or that one. This is fire. Ah! Look at this, yo. Look at the interior. Hey. We're going to test drive it.
Nice, and the wheels are the best I've seen.
Yeah, the white and black is nice.
Wheels the time when they came out with it. The other ones typically get have like
but different wheels. Oh, thank you. So silly. Where did you even come from?
Here's our finance manager list.
Beautiful.
You guys want to hit you with it? Fuck it. Today I am driving my new whip. I recently just got. But yeah, today I wanted to bring you with me. I'm going to about to head into my eye appointment, check on my vision, see how it is. Today I'll probably just handle the eye appointment, and then I'll probably go get my eyebrows trimmed because I have not got it waxed in a minute, so I'm hoping to get that done, and my nails. But yeah, So whatever I end up doing this week, I will bring you with me. And I want to appreciate you guys for tuning in, for watching the last vlog and giving me feedback. I got a lot of feedback, and I appreciate all your feedback, telling me what you want to see, what I should do. But yeah, continue to watch, subscribe, and like and share. We'll see you once I get back from the vision exam. Leaving, just finished with the appointment. Good morning. It is currently 10 a.m. and I'm going right now to the nail salon. I was not able to go yesterday, and I'm going right now early in the morning just because I have a busy day and my nails are really bothering me, so I want to get that out of the way. So I'm going to get those done today, and I have to head into work today, so I'll probably get my eyebrows done. I haven't. I'll probably get them done later because I need them waxed or threaded, whatever the case might be. So right now I'm going into the nail salon, see if they can fix my nails, because yeah, this is ridiculous. So I'm going in and get that done and probably head to work after. I don't think I have enough time to get my eyebrows threaded or waxed, unless they do it in there where I'm going. I'll see, but other than that, I don't think I have the time to go to the actual eyebrow place. So that's what I'm getting done today. Just got done. Look at something simple. Look at my new baby, you guys. Ah, isn't she a beauty? A beauty. Ah, a bird pooped on my car. Disrespectful. A beauty. Look at it. Look what I got. Something simple. Real natural. Now the traffic here is no joke. Like, no joke at all. It's happy Sunday. We are headed to church right now. Let's say hi to the vlog. Hey, people.
Shout out to Mexico and Medellin, man. We made a memory right there.
service. We're going to dinner. Father, Lord, thank you for the food. For your hands were fed. Lord, continue to give us your daily bread and give those in need. Amen. Baby gotta eat first.
Well, we sell a lot of oysters here. Yeah, it's very much seasonal. So you want to eat oysters?
Mama, what are you doing? I don't know where she learned that from. There is. Ada di floor. Oh dia. Cakap tuh, cakap. She cannot. I don't know, bro. I don't know why. That's not a good idea.
What do you mean it's not?
Like, why? There's a whole elevator, bro. Oh my god.
You okay?
I told him.
Oh, he got stuck in one. She jumped out. Yeah, I'm glad you're okay. You were scared for a
I
second.
told him not to do that.
Oh, you guys got it. You got it. Glad you guys are okay.
Yeah.
You were scared for a little bit. Hey, I know. It got stuck in. I was supposed to pick it up.
Hey,
You
hey.
guys are okay. All right.
Yeah,
Thank
but- guys, my husband do not listen. I literally told him to not do that. Guys, listen to your wives. They're always right. Let's open this roof up. You know. Alrighty, me and the baby are headed to wherever this car takes us. Okay? Siri, take us wherever. I'm kidding, just kidding. You ready, Genesis? She says, I'm ready, Mama, I'm ready. Let's go. Guys, let's go see if the eyebrow place is still open so I can get these eyebrows taken care of, because I've been meaning to for a minute now, but I just keep on getting busy. So let's see if I can get it taken care of today, because my eyebrows need help. They need help. But yeah, come with me, yo. Come with me. We have perfect weather today, so I thought, why not bring the baby so she could get some sun. Just go down. Guys, it is a beautiful weather today, and I figured I should just bring the baby to the park. So we're at the park now, just walking around, feeling some breeze. The duckies. See ducky? You see ducky? Ducky! Ducky! Look, it's 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. 3 duckies! She's like, okay, mom. Okay, let's keep walking. Let's explore some more. Alright, we continue our walking. Let's keep on walking. Ah, ah. You like a doggy? Look at doggy. Up there. Doggy. Doggy. You see doggy? Yeah, we're gonna walk all the way around and make our way to the water. And we just sit by water and have some snuggies. Yeah. Oh, how pretty and green. You see how green it is, mommy? So green and so pretty. You see it? Hey. Hey. So pretty. She's honestly having a time of her life. She's looking around at everything and everybody. But yeah, at this age, if you have a baby, you want to take your baby to the park because they enjoy this. And plus, they need some sun. So get that baby out of the house, okay? Get that. Look at her having a time. And plus, I'm enjoying this myself. You know? Look at the back. Yeah. You're having a lot of fun? I know. I believe you. I believe you. I'm having fun too. Maybe we'll have a picnic together one of these days. Me and her dad will come set up a little cute picnic and, you know, have a time. Right, Mimi? Right? I know. You agree. It got a little chilly, so I have to cover her. But this park is literally so big that we're not done walking around. We're gonna take a shortcut so we can make it to the water. Look at these little doggies. They're so cute. She's now falling asleep, so we gotta go home. Thank you all for watching, liking and subscribing, and I appreciate you for all the feedback. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.